Hey, Lisa. How was your weekend?
Hi, Mark. It was great, thanks. I visited the new art exhibition downtown. How about you?
Nice. I just stayed home and relaxed. By the way, what do you usually do on weekdays?
Well, on weekdays, I wake up at 7 a.m., have breakfast, and then head to school. After classes, I often grab lunch with my friends. What about you?
My routine is pretty similar. I wake up around 6:30 a.m., have a quick breakfast, and catch the bus to school. After classes, I usually hit the gym for a workout.
That's cool, Mark. I've been thinking about joining a fitness class. What do you do in the evenings?
In the evenings, I do my homework and then have dinner with my family. After that, I usually watch TV or read a book for a while before going to bed around 10 p.m.
Sounds like a balanced day. I wish I could manage my time as well as you do. Do you have any special activities on the weekends?
Weekends are more relaxed for me. I often meet up with friends, go to the movies, or just hang out. On Sunday evenings, I prepare for the upcoming week by organizing my study materials.
That's a good idea. I should try to plan my weekends better. Thanks for sharing, Mark.
No problem, Lisa. It's always interesting to learn about each other's daily routines. Anything exciting planned for this week?
Not really, just the usual. How about you?
I have a project due on Friday, so I'll be focusing on that. Maybe we can grab lunch together one day?
Sure, that sounds like a plan. Let's aim for Wednesday.
Hi, Emily. Have you ever traveled abroad?
Hey, Alex. No, I haven't had the chance yet. Have you?
Yeah, I went to Japan last summer. It was amazing. The culture, the food, everything was fantastic.
That sounds incredible. What was your favorite part of the trip?
Definitely Kyoto. The historical temples and gardens were breathtaking. How about you? Any dream destinations?
I've always wanted to visit Italy, especially for the art and history. Speaking of which, did you pick up any souvenirs in Japan?
Oh, I got a traditional tea set. It's beautiful and I use it every day. What about you? Any special mementos from your travels?
Not yet, but I hope to collect postcards from every place I visit. They're like little snapshots of memories.
That's a cool idea. Postcards have a nostalgic charm. If you ever plan a trip, I can give you some tips for Japan.
Thanks, Alex. I'll keep that in mind. Italy might be next on my list. Let's see.
Sounds like a plan. Let me know if you need recommendations. Happy travels, Emily.
Hi, sweetie. I heard you did amazing in school today. Great job!
Thanks, Mom. I really tried my best.
Your best is incredible. I'm super proud of you. Keep going!
It was a bit tough, but I wanted to make you happy.
Well, you made me very happy. You're clever and hardworking. Remember, I'm here for you no matter what. You can achieve anything you want.
Thanks, Mom. Your support means a ton.
Anytime, dear. I believe in you and I can't wait to see all the wonderful things you'll do. Keep it going!
Hey there, Alex. I've been craving some new and exciting food lately. Any recommendations?
Hi! How about trying a local fusion restaurant? They usually offer a mix of flavors from different cuisines.
That sounds intriguing. Any specific place you have in mind?
Definitely! There's this new spot called Flavors Unleashed downtown. They combine Asian and Latin American influences. It's a culinary adventure.
Nice. I'm always up for something different. What dishes do you suggest trying?
The sushi tacos are a must-try. They're a unique twist on traditional sushi. And don't miss their mango chili chicken. It's a flavor explosion.
Yum. My taste buds are already excited. How about dessert? Any sweet recommendations?
For dessert, the match-infused tres leches cake is a winner. It's the perfect blend of creamy and refreshing.
Sounds like a plan. Let's check it out this weekend. Thanks for the tasty suggestion, Alex.
Anytime. I'm always up for exploring new flavors. Can't wait to see what you think of the place.
Hey! I've been thinking about planning a trip recently. Any suggestions for a cool travel destination?
Oh, that sounds exciting. How about exploring Southeast Asia? Thailand, Vietnam, and Cambodia have amazing landscapes and rich cultures.
That's a great idea! I've always wanted to experience the vibrant street markets and try authentic local cuisine. Any specific recommendations?
Absolutely. In Thailand, don't miss the floating markets in Bangkok and the beautiful beaches in Phuket. Vietnam offers the stunning Ha Long Bay and Cambodia has the breathtaking Angkor Wat.
Nice! I love a good mix of adventure and relaxation. How about accommodations? Any tips for finding unique places to stay?
Look into boutique hotels or homestays. They provide a more intimate experience. You'll get a taste of local hospitality and might even make some new friends.
Perfect! And what about travel hacks? Any secrets to save money or make the journey smoother?
Well, booking flights in advance usually helps with costs. Also, consider getting a local SIM card for your phone and use public transportation to save on commuting.
Great advice! I can't wait to start planning. Thanks for the suggestions. This trip is going to be epic.
No problem. Enjoy the planning process and I'm sure you'll have an incredible time exploring new places. Let me know if you need any more tips along the way.